Are you taking video to that?
No, I'm going to take a picture and send it to Mommy. It's okay, bro. Just play.
Yeah, just play.
Oh,
Taz.
Did you actually just take a picture?
No.
Taz is picture bombing.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Dude, use my camera. My camera's much better.
No, but I could email it to Mommy with my camera, my phone.
Yay! Yay!
Ron, get your face a little closer to her, okay?
Taz, get out of the way.
Dog spit.
Josie!
Smile at the camera!
That's probably hard to get for her to get her head all the way up.
Taz!
Josie!
Ron, get a little closer.
Hey! Stop it, Dad! Yay, please! Love you, Dad!
She's like, it's getting crowded under here, Roman.
This is
That didn't work.
There's 5.
Oh.
Where's 4?
Over here, Ron.
You teaching Josie how to play?
Josie!
Hey, Josie!
Putting it in order.
Yeah, where's my 3? Hi, 3. Hi, 3.
Don't take them from Josie. She's playing with them, Ron. She's like, give me all my cups.
Here, fine.
Taz. Move, Taz. Taz.